I can see your glass case on it, like, if you got it on. Yeah. What age do you think? I'll bring you bread now, so it's
You know.
Yeah. Different. I had just.
Are you doing like little shop next door? What are you going up with your mummy's just going to put her gloves back on?
Vision for
Yeah, okay. So basically, yeah, it used to be this area, it used to be a solid set, but now they've got vision is shadow. You need to be able to cover every single angle. Think about, we've got, usually these cameras wouldn't be next to each other, you'd have one over there, one over there, one over there.
Bed blocking where you just have a person that just sit forever and actually hear music come in from London. You can have news, music studio. You can have independent production companies in space, so actually suddenly you can free it up. So there's a lot more juggling and scheduling.
So if everyone is ready, we're going to make a motion.
Great photos. Is everybody okay with using the lift? Like, I really hate lifts. No? No good? Yeah? Oh, yeah, no problem. Yeah, no problem at all. Your water up there? Yeah.
Notorious for leaving my water bottle in.
Was Prince Charles at the time. But because underneath it says on air, it's being broadcast. So it could be Mike's live, but they're recording. Or
iTunes or whatever, you know. Studio, it comes with its own set of rules. Mentioned downstairs, you can see the white dots everywhere on the ceiling. Essentially, well, hello. Yeah, back into Celia. That horrible one right there.